decided with this car is, after driving it for a little bit, is a 4-speed manual, and we believe this car is running on stock clutch and stock flywheel equipment. So being RestoMods, we don't want to leave this stock. We're going to upgrade you lightweight flywheel and a dual friction performance clutch and pressure plate from Centerforce Performance Clutches. Big shout out to them. They got the best stuff in the business. And we're excited to put this in the 1967 and see how she drives, see how this thing shifts, and how this clutch feels when we're done. So stay tuned. We're going to get that install, and then we're going to drive it again when it's done. Just watch me drive the car before we installed the Centerforce Performance Clutch, the lightweight flywheel, and that pressure plate. And I have to say, this is my absolute favorite thing that we've done to this car. I had no idea how that clutch was supposed to feel. This clutch now is nice and firm. It releases right about the middle of the range for the clutch, which is, in my previous experience with most clutches, where you want it to be. This car before was letting out way at the top of the clutch, but now it's right in that middle spot. Again, like, I can't express how much different this is than it was before. The pressure plate, for sure, you can feel, which is exactly what you want when you're just switching gears like that. Nice and smooth, and honestly, I can't express how happy I am with the clutch. This is by far the best thing we've done to the car, and it changed the entire driving experience of the car. So if you're looking to replace your old clutch in your classic car, or upgrade to a more performance clutch, flywheel, and pressure plate, check out Centerforce Performance Clutches. Best in the business. They do all of their work in the United States of America, and they build these clutches 3 or 4 times before they send it out to you. So you know you're getting a product that is quality and is going to withstand time, and as you can see, this thing performs well. Check them out, Centerforce Performance Clutch.